because he does have an oil leak, like it's coming from the turbo. I'll take you out of it. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Easy's Rebuilds. I'm your host, Easy E, the guy that do the most. Never got time to get anything else done around here, especially like cars like this. So today, I'm going to attempt to change the control arms on a 2012 Volkswagen CC. Don't like working on these foreigns, especially Volkswagens. Always seem to have problems with them. Always need special tools that I never have. All those 12 spine sockets and stuff. But it's hot out here. Extremely hot. So, let's go see what I'm working with. So here's my two new control arms. Here's 2012 Volkswagen CC. And you can see back there, if you can see, the control arm bushing that's messed up. The only driver's side problem is transmission is in the way to get the bolt out. So I'm gonna catch it. L on this side. On the other side, nothing's in my way, so I'm gonna start on this side. On this side the same. Everything moves. I don't know if y'all can see that with me holding the camera because I'm moving with the camera. But there you go. And that's an 18 millimeter. Another 18 over here. I think about 2 15s in the back. Bunch of screws at the bottom. Then we gotta get off. Like I said, I can't really get all deep into here because I don't have anything that big to get that axle nut off. So I could move the axles out the way. Give me more room. On the other side, I'm gonna see what I gotta do. So let the fun begin. All right, got the old one down, and both bushings are messed up. See that? See that in there? And that one is all tore up. I gotta get a picture of that. Anyway, it was new and supposed to look like. Nothing wrong with it. I am gonna be using the old. Now I forgot what it's called. I always get brain freeze, but the old. Y'all know that part right here. Right there. This is a two-piece. And those are, you need 18 millimeter and a 16 millimeter. That's all you need to change these. Even the control arm bushing. I don't even know what it's called. Dang it, control arm. Y'all let me know in the comment section below. But for me to get that off out of there, I had to get this off to get the axle out of my way. And like I said, I don't got nothing that big. So like I said, everything is 18 and 16. Shouldn't be that hard. As long as as long as that one ain't messed up, you should be good to go. His is still strong and tight, so I'm gonna reuse it and see how everything lines up and how things feel. And it did start raining on me for a little bit out here. Rain clouds and gone away. So I'm about to get this put back on because I got a lot of other stuff I got to do today. People always ask for my help. Need me to move a couch. It's too much for one guy. Just too much. It's too much. They're trying to kill me around here. But let's get back to work, baby. Well, guess I'm gonna have to call that not a wrap for now, but not for this video. It's starting to rain. Obviously, I can't work in the garage because I have got cars everywhere. But I catch y'all back when it ain't raining. You feel me? What's up, people? It's the next day after I got rained out. But this car I'm catching hell. Working on this car. Got up this morning after using the bathroom, brushing my teeth, washing up. So on this side, you got to lower the cradle to get that control arm off. So I got a jack up under the transmission, pushing it up, or holding it up. While I release the cradle a little bit, even though the cradle ain't attached. What it is attached to the transmission is a mount right there. Thought I had to take the mount out. So that mount. So there's a mount right there. I got to see that right there. But I just took out the cradle bolts. They go one right there. There's another one right there. So I can drop the cradle down. So it go underneath the transmission. And use a pry bar and pry it down. So I get the control arm off. On this side, other side, still working on putting the control arm on because I don't want to hook that up, prying on the cradle. Especially on this side, I need all the slack I can get. But my issue is with these aftermarket parts. So yesterday, y'all see me struggling in B-roll trying to get that control arm up there, and I couldn't. I figured out why. When I look right there on this old one, then look at there on the new one, y'all can see the gap difference between the two bolt holes. So I couldn't ever get my bolts lined up. I almost stripped out the threads trying to get them lined up. I had to re-tap them and everything this morning just to get everything lined up, even the little piece of paper to demonstrate it. The holes line up. Come on this side, put it in one hole, the holes don't line up. I'll use this. The hole is slightly off on this one. So it wouldn't work. But in this one, the holes line up perfectly. So what I got to do is remove this one, remove that one from that one, and beat the bushing out of it and swap bushings. That's what I did on the other one. Look at the old one. There go the nuke, see? It's just plastic, knock the bushing out. Using a tube and a hammer. And reinstalled it in the other one, since I have a press. So, let me get that done, and I catch y'all back under the car. All right, that wasn't too bad. That side went together way easier than the other side. Once I figured out, I had to reuse his, I'm gonna say, bracket. So I reused his bracket, knocked the old bushing out, put the new bushing from the other part into there. Because like I said, the brackets on the new parts didn't match up. Holes are too far apart, which caused me to catch hell on the other side. Strip some holes out. Had to retap everything. Just because it started raining. And I should just went up under there, put my head up under there and look to make sure the holes lined up. Looked like they lined up, but it wasn't. They was off by a little bit. So either drill the holes out bigger on the bracket or just swap them over. I just swapped them over because I don't want no play. Because they gotta be the holes gotta be a certain size for the bolt to fit through it. Now I got button this side up. Everything is started, good to go. So let's finish this video up, people. Because I got a birthday party to attend. And my daughter's car got a flat tire, so I gotta see what she wants before the party started at 3 o'clock. And I gotta wash up. So, let's get on to this. Well, it's going to be a wrap for this one. I did my job. I'm going to keep it jacked up. Probably keep the tires off because he wants to try to degrease it. Not in my driveway. They don't never want to listen to me. I call him AJ the Pest because he does have an oil leak. Like it's coming from the turbo. I'll take y'all up under. Y'all can see all that oil. All that oil. It's on the compressors, on the alternator. It's all up in there. There's just oil everywhere. And it looks like it's coming from the turbo. He don't got a drop of oil in this engine. He don't want to replace the turbo. He just want to keep cleaning up the oil and driving it till the wheels fall off. Oil everywhere. I told him I get $500 for it. I give him $500. I'll pull the motor, repair everything that need to be repaired. Even though he tore up all the plastics underneath the car. People that don't care about their stuff pay all the money for a car. Don't even got this plastic. They're supposed to cover the engine. But yeah, we got those control arms on. Had to reuse his brackets. But once I did this side and figured out what was wrong, and had to retap all these holes back there because nothing lined up. So I put the new bracket on there. We good to go. Good to go with this bad baby. So if you would, give us a thumbs up if you like this video. If you didn't, you know what to do. Leave a comment in the comment section below. Share this video on your social media if you would. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to Easy E's Read Bills. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when they release a new video. Go follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and X. And with all that, stay tuned and stay blessed, people. Deuces!